So, today's do-it-yourself video is all about how to clean the filters in the Dometic Ibis 4 air conditioning in our Caravan.
Okay, so we have very dirty filters after a year of use, and to remove this cover you have to be very gentle. You grab underneath with your hands. So to release this with your thumbs, you lift up with your fingers and you push up with your thumbs up to the top and push it down, and then you can release carefully. So now you can see that's the filters on each side.
Oh yes, they need to be cleaned.
Covered in dust, what they get sucked from the inside. On the side here you can see there is
a little notch.
A little piece. I push from the inside a little bit, and you can push this one down, and you can slide them carefully out. So that's your filters.
You can see where Simon tried and checked how dirty it is.
See, you got all this. You use it on the next one. For this job you have to make sure you have a flat surface, otherwise you damage your thin mesh. Just with water, no chemicals. Chemicals can damage the plastics. Careful with this one here. That's a temperature sensor. is dry.
Make sure that you fit it in the correct way, that you don't put it in upside down. And the correct way is...
See on the other side. Well, it fits.
So these things, these dividers here on this side.
This
Hang on.
goes like this.
Fokussiert nicht. Yeah, it goes upside down. The dividers here, and you can see on this side they go downwards, and on the other side it's flat surface. And you slide it into the slot there.
There's some more to clean up here.
And you slide it back into the slot carefully.
Just push them down a little bit.
Yeah, don't use too much force.
Whoop.
So that's the difference: a clean filter and a dirty filter. I think that says enough, eh? Huh?
Yep.
Okay, now the dirty filter without spilling anything onto my computer, please. There it comes. So he's pulling down this part and pushing the filter, and that's when the little thing there appears.
Okay. But very
There
carefully.
you go. Yeah, careful. Don't be too rough on that job.
Here we go again.
Very nice.
And we do the same job again. It's a good indicator that the filter is properly in. On the side here,
If you can't feel a thing.
that's have to be flush with the cover, the filter. There's a little. I can show you that one. This one here.
Yep.
Push them back.
Yep.
Up to this point. That's the indicator. We don't get further. Okay. So before you put the cover back on, there will be a little bit dusty as well. Just give a quick wipe. Be careful with the sticker. There's your connection diagram. You don't want to damage that one. And this little foam here, that is to keep vibration off,
To reduce the vibration, yeah.
so when you wipe this off, very careful, don't go over here. Just give a quick as this way, sideways.
Yeah, and don't break it because it's very flimsy.
Very flimsy.
Yeah, you have to be careful. But you can't put it on a flat surface either because of these
You got the clips up here.
clips here. You just be
And
careful.
if you can see, that slot here is out of center. Same as with your display.
Yep. So you know exactly which way you have to fit it back.
Yeah, it's only one way.
Mm-hmm.
So when you put them, you see these slots here.
Yep.
It's for your clips.
You start on one side,
Yes, you start on one side.
behind. Yep,
Yes.
exactly. And then you.
And then on the other side, and you do it the same way. If you take it off,
Fit it.
make sure
All good.
that have to be a little bit bent.
Yep.
You can see it's flush with the
Yep.
display.
There you go.
Here you go.
But at the moment we don't want to cool, we want to warm because it's cold enough outside. So, all right, turning off, hey?
So you can check. Oh, see, you get enough air out.
Yep. Oh, well. Better than before. Better than before. Definitely better than before.
Hey, then. I told you.
Okay. All done, all clean, all nice. Happy campers.
Happy campers.